So this is the Triumph Trident 660. Good balance between MPG and power for the road. Paint finish is pretty good. There's some like I don't know. They look like little scratches on the tank. You do get a quick shifter, so you do get slipper clutch. You do get traction control, anti-lock brakes. So all modern stuff. TFT display. It's not the biggest TFT display. It's stylish, but it's not going to tell you a whole lot. You've got different modes to choose from. You do actually have a form of cruise control. Liquid cool, so it should be pretty reliable. And switch gear feels fine, apart from the start button being a bit wiggly. Liquid cooled, parallel twin. It looks good. It looks pretty good. It should be a good naked midway pipe.